Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Today we'll be going to unbox this a very small masterpiece from Tarmac Works, which is the Koinesegg jesko. As you can see, this is the Koinesegg jesko attack, black carbon fiber. I ordered this from Karzanddolls, which costed me around 3k. So let's unbox. So this is the box of the Koinesegg jesko. As you can see, it comes with an acrylic case. The back side of it, just show you, this is the Koinesegg jesko. All the social media handles are there, and here is every details about this product. So it comes with an acrylic case. Let me first open the paper cover, and this is the car. Oh god, this looks so cool. With this acrylic case, it actually gets protected, and I can actually see my car whenever I want. But let's first open this acrylic case, for which I think I need to, here, the acrylic case. And oh god, look at this beauty. Just look at this beauty, guys. Tarmac Koinesegg jesko attack, and here is the Koinesegg jesko attack, guys. Finished in fully black carbon fiber. If you can see everything, wait, here, everything is carbon fiber. Everything. Even the full body is carbon fiber. I was hoping that the rims would be also carbon fiber, but it's not. But it's alright. This is one of my dream cars. Actually, I wanted a fully carbon fiber Koinesegg jesko, and also this model attack, not the absolute, because I find this attack Koinesegg jesko attack model a bit more sporty. From here you can actually unpin it. Here is a screw. You can unscrew it, and you can actually keep this car in your diorama and shoot. But in this stand, it looks more appealing and good to me. Now the final thoughts of me for this car. This is the best car which I have purchased in my collection, and it is the most expensive car in my collection also in this scale. But one thing which I actually got disappointed is that there is no opening part. I mean, I was thinking that this part right here, the engine part, would open, but it is not. This is a very fixed model, which actually didn't satisfy me. But still, it's fine. It's not that much problem. Because and finally, I also forgot to tell that this is a limited edition car. On eBay I saw that it was limited to around 2,544 pieces, but I actually didn't buy it for that limited edition thing. I wanted this car only, this full carbon fiber model, so I bought it. Afterwards I figured out that this was had a limited pieces. So yeah, give me your comments on this car, how you found it. Let the comment section be full with this car's appreciation. And actually I loved it a lot. And so yeah, this was for today. I hope that you like this video. Do like the video and subscribe also, and share this with your car enthusiast friends so that they can also get to know about this car. Loved it. Peace out.